Monday, June 23rd, taking a look at the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. Notice how we're bottoming out here at below the minus 30 level as the trading opened last night, opened gap down and started to trend up. The period of these lows, we had another significant low last week on Friday on this chart, and that's what we have is a double bottom in the market around the 59.80 and 59.90 levels between late Thursday, early Friday, and then again this morning on that gap down on the open. Actually made a slightly lower low to that point from late Thursday evening. Anyhow, we're coming out of here now, and we're going to get into a more bullish mode this week on the green line. You can see the green line is pushing all the way up through Tuesday, levels out, flattens out around the zero line on Wednesday. Then we get into bullish territory on Thursday and Friday, where we do get above plus 10 in the morning on Thursday, and we're kind of staying up there and in positive territory through Friday. So that's the bigger picture on the green line. As far as the blue line spikes go, we've got this spike here at 10 a.m. Tuesday. On Wednesday, we've got this 3 a.m. spike. And then we've got a push up close to plus 10 at 6. Midnight then again here on the 26th. And then the last important one is Friday. It's kind of a wide top from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. before it starts to push down. But that's the look at the Astro Excel pressure for the week. Pattern holding pretty well on the green line. This negative pressure is finally starting to lift.